Okay, I just want to give a quick little update on my spring hair twists. It has been 2 weeks and 1 day since I installed them, and I really don't want to take them out. I love having the no muss, no fuss, just get up and go. I love that. I also love the fact that they're so light. I forget that I have them. I can put them up in a ponytail all day. They don't feel heavy. They're not weighing my scalp down. They're not tearing up my edges. They are kind of coming out of the, my hair is coming out of the twist, which it doesn't bother me because it's just whatever. It doesn't bother me. The thing about it is that my hair is so fine that I feel like it tends to slip. The braids slip faster. And so it looks like a lot of new growth, but it ain't a lot of new growth. You know what I'm talking about? Like, if you can see how fast, look how much that slipped. And then you can see this one. And I've retwisted this one at least 2 times since I've had them in, and it's already in the middle of my hair. So the hair slipping isn't the greatest thing in the world. And also, I hope you guys can see, it is like a rat's nest back here. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but it is like, okay, I pulled my mic over here, so hopefully you guys can hear me better. But it is like a rat's nest back here. It is matted so bad. I've never had a protective style mat this much. And I believe it's because it slips so early, and then just sleeping, oh, that feels good. And just sleeping on it or whatever just caused it to mat up like a nest. It is going to be a horrific time trying to detangle it. But I don't want to take it out. Like, it's so convenient. It's so light, and it's cute. Like, it's super cute. So yeah, that's the only thing that's like pretty annoying is these hair slipping, but that's not the hair's fault or the style's fault. It's nobody's fault. It's just my hair is fine and it tends to slip. What am I doing? I don't know. But anyway, what I have been doing on it to try to make sure that it's conditioned and such is using my favorite Cream of Nature Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. I spray this in my hair whenever I remember to. I'm going to be honest, I haven't been doing the proper upkeep that I usually do just because it's just so easy to just not do anything to your hair, and I really love that. But whenever I remember, I spray this, which is why it's almost gone. I've also been putting, which is in the bathroom, which I don't feel like going to get, but it is my Jamaican black castor oil. I've been putting it in the scalp whenever I remember, just to make sure, like I said, that my scalp is conditioned. And I've also been using my gel and Jamaican black castor oil mix right here. Boom. I've been using that for the edges just to make sure that it still looks nice and neat, even though it's not fresh, even though it's a nest back here, but it does look, my edges, you know, I'll be like, smooth it out, make it look cute or whatever. Will I be doing this style again? I have no idea. I don't know when I'll get another 11 hours to do this hair. So I don't know. This might be the last time, but I'm so in love with this hair and this style. I wish I can figure out a way. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll try to figure out a way to cut the time in half and make sure that there's very little slipping with this hair. If you are looking to try this style or try this hair, maybe you have a professional that can get it down in less time. Maybe you can get it down in less time. Maybe your hair is not going to have as much slippage as mine. But if you want to try this hair, I still have a discount code for the hair by Beyond Beauty. It is 5% off. The link is in the description box. As I always say, comments and questions, leave them in the comment box, and I will see you guys on my next video.